Shintweit umhlaba kabolanga bolisweit wenziweit God, it hurt my heart to see all people in pain, to see all people sweet and full of poverty, oh God. We come to you, we humble ourselves and we pray, oh Lord. May you read our tears, oh God, for you understand each and every drop of our tears, oh Lord. May you listen to our heartbeat, oh God, because each and every heartbeat, oh Lord, carries sorrow and sadness of Corona, oh God. We pray. Senzena Izo